Hello guys, welcome back again. As you always know us as we give more tips on how you can live a world of wealth and tips to accumulate more wealth. Now it is time to protect your wealth and make sure your money is safe. You worked hard to build your wealth, now it's time to protect it. From market crashes to financial scams, your money faces risks every day. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the best strategies to keep your money safe and secure for the long haul. Let's dive in. Building wealth is one thing, but protecting it is equally, if not more, important. Without proper safeguards, financial gains can be wiped out by economic downturns, inflation, poor investments, lawsuits, or even unforeseen personal crises. Whether you are an entrepreneur, investor, or someone looking to preserve generational wealth, this guide will cover strategies to keep your money safe and ensure long-term financial security. 1. Diversify your investments. Why it matters. Investing in a single asset class, such as stocks or real estate, can be risky. Market fluctuations can erode wealth quickly if your assets aren't spread out. How to protect your wealth through diversification. Stocks and bonds, a mix of equities and fixed income securities, can provide growth while limiting risk. Real estate, properties provide passive income and appreciation potential. Commodities and precious metals, gold, silver, and other commodities can serve as a hedge against inflation. Alternative investments. Consider private equity, hedge funds, or cryptocurrency, with caution, for additional diversification. International investments. Investing in global markets reduces exposure to risks in a single economy. 2. Build a strong emergency fund. Why it matters. An emergency fund acts as a financial buffer against unexpected expenses such as job loss, medical emergencies, or major home repairs. How to secure an emergency fund. Save 6-12 months of expenses. Store this in a high-yield savings account or money market fund. Liquidity is key. Keep your emergency fund easily accessible but separate from daily spending accounts. Replenish when used. If you need to dip into it, make it a priority to rebuild the fund. 3. Utilize insurance to safeguard your wealth. Why it matters. Insurance mitigates financial losses from unexpected events such as health issues, property damage, or legal claims. Types of insurance to consider. Health insurance. Avoid costly medical bills that can drain savings. Life insurance. Provides financial security for your family in case of an untimely death. Disability insurance. Protects income in case of a disabling illness or injury. Homeowners, renters insurance, covers property damage and liability risks. Liability insurance. Protects assets from lawsuits. Business insurance. If you own a business, ensure proper coverage against lawsuits, property damage, and loss of income. 4. Protect wealth through legal structures. Why it matters. Using the right legal entities can protect your assets from creditors, lawsuits, and excessive taxation. Legal strategies to consider. Trusts. Helps manage wealth, protect assets from lawsuits, and reduce estate taxes. LLCs and corporations. Shield personal assets from business liabilities. Prenuptial agreements. Protects wealth in case of divorce. Estate planning. Create a will, assign beneficiaries, and consider the power of attorney arrangements. 5. Minimize tax liabilities. Why it matters. Taxes can significantly reduce wealth if not managed strategically. Tax strategies to protect wealth. Maximize tax-advantaged accounts. Contribute to 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs. Use tax loss harvesting. Offset capital gains with losses to lower tax burdens. Leverage real estate tax benefits. Deduct mortgage interest, depreciation, and property expenses. Hire a tax professional. Optimize deductions, credits, and investment strategies. 6. Avoid common financial pitfalls. Why it matters. Many people lose wealth due to poor financial decisions, scams, and overspending. How to avoid financial mistakes. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Increase savings instead of spending as income grows. Be cautious with investments. Conduct thorough research before investing in unfamiliar assets. Stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. High-risk opportunities can result in significant losses. Monitor credit reports. Prevent fraud and identity theft by regularly checking your credit score. 7. Plan for generational wealth transfer. Why it matters. If you want your wealth to last beyond your lifetime, proper planning is necessary. How to secure generational wealth. Create a wealth management plan. Work with financial advisors and estate planners. Educate heirs on financial literacy. Teach children and beneficiaries how to manage money. Establish a family trust. Protect assets and ensure controlled distribution. Use life insurance as an estate planning tool. Provides liquidity and tax benefits. 8. Stay informed and adapt to market changes. Why it matters. The financial landscape is always changing. Staying informed allows you to adjust your strategies and minimize risks. How to stay financially smart. Read financial news and books. Stay updated on economic trends and investment opportunities. Consult financial advisors. Work with experts to optimize your wealth protection strategies. Regularly reassess financial plans. Update strategies based on life changes, market conditions, and financial goals. Protecting wealth requires strategic planning, discipline, and ongoing financial education. By diversifying investments, having proper insurance, minimizing tax burdens, and staying informed, you can ensure financial security for yourself and future generations. Take action today to safeguard your wealth and make your money truly safe. Now you know how to safeguard your wealth and keep your money secure. Which strategy will you implement first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth building tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.